But you started all of this, not me.
I don't care. Make a video.
Hi guys, it's me, uwucutesingle here, and today we will roast my haters back. I mean, part 2. Let's go!
Wow!
I forgot. Easy. I'm just doing what I'm showing you.
Yeah, I don't know about you, buddy, but I think it's time to cook.
Couldn't agree more, my friend.
Content creator Kaka v420 would make a video roasting Roblox short.
uwucutesingle versus me.
What's this? What's this?
Is this my video?
We got 6 million subscribers and get 10,000 views a video!
So, everyone in the Roblox community is roasting
You fatherless people.
and if you're living under a rock and you somehow don't know who
Kaka, if you don't know, the only person who living a rock is Patrick. From SpongeBob. People don't live under the rock.
she is. Lucky you.
From capitalizing on religious beliefs of her viewers to promoting gambling websites to children, this channel stands as a direct competitor to Lisa Gaming.
Also guys, about Lisa Gaming, I added her.
Flojo conche tu madre, hasta cuando vaya a hacer algo productivo por tu vida, maldito culiao. Tuve que haberte abortado, asqueroso de mierda. Búscate una pega, luego ya tenés 30 años y todavía no sé.
Cállate, vieja culia, muérete.
In my own game, and find my game in my Roblox profile named Aruntik in favorites and play this game. Try to find me and Lisa Gaming and other YouTubers. Bye.
Popular Roblox YouTuber uwucutesingle has begun advertising to her audience of children within the age range of around 8 to 13 years old.
You sure made a discount on the age part, not gonna lie.
She's a kid herself, and let's be realistic here, nobody clicks on advertisements 90% of the time.
That's law.
What is 70 people?
Despite numerous Twitter threads and videos exposing the undeniable irresponsibility of your actions, your brain still insists on creating a response video. I can't quite fathom the thought process that led you to this conclusion. No, I'm serious. What the hell were you thinking, blood?
Yes!
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatata y me...
Another video!
Hi everyone, I am uwucutesingle.
I love this song.
Nobody asked for your opinion. Wee-hee!
Today we will roast my haters back. Easy.
Downloading the explosion meme is proving to be a real challenge for you. I can only imagine how weak your roasts will be.
If you didn't know, people with no fathers is less. Look how much.
This is the greatest comeback I've ever witnessed. I apologize.
It's okay, I understand you. You don't need to apologize. I know that that video was a joke, so I understand you, Kaka. It's okay.
Can't even edit an image properly. If you think about it, YouTube Shorts users would not have the attention span for that.
Okay, I like the montage, but I don't
Yes.
like the vids.
Nobody asked for your opinion. Wee-hee!
You slapped me for $100 million?
Yes.
Like and subscribe if you don't.
Surely everyone would take the 100 million.
Right.
I will slap you.
I don't want to.
This is my fan.
If you are naive enough to believe that you have any fans, I'd suggest paying more attention to your comment section.
Excuse me? I have 6.9 million fans. What do you mean?
Money won't buy happiness.
I'd do it for free.
Mr. Rebo Ted Pippy passed away.
I'm so sad. Like, I really thought that Poppy died. Poppy, not Rip.
Comment sad emojis if you love Poppy.
I'm so sad. Poppy died.
April Fools.
Oh, she's alive.
You're a real genius.
Thank you, Kaka.
I post an April Fool's joke on the 3rd of April about my sister passing away and leaving a scam link in a pinned comment. Truly a clown shout classic. You should try and join the Mr. Beast crew. That would
Yes, I should.
be a perfect thumbnail. We don't want her. Well,
Kaka, are you friends with Mr. Beast? Wow. You know, I don't hate you anymore.
it's actually insane that your legacy as a warm-blooded, breathing and living person will forever stay a scummy, goofy, no-feature YouTube shorts content farm spam chat that capitalizes on religion, animal abuse and gambling promotion.
Text the water if you hate clown show. Me.
I don't hate clown show.
What's the hidden message here?
I take showers, and of course I don't support scammers.
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar coca a los oros tiki 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 taca 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 teque teque 9 y me...
But how this is both correct if I don't support scammers?
Huh?
Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it?
First time.
Kaka, I didn't know that you have so many dislikes. Well, you should change your content then.
Then comes the old versus new Roblox part, and she of course shares her opinion on the matter.
That opinion, of course, was a joke. I don't know how you didn't even understand this.
Roblox in 2017 is clean. Roblox 2022 is good. It's hot.
People always asking me, where do you see yourself in 10 years? Like, buddy, I'm just trying to make it Friday.
Turning into the person who ruined my life. She promoted gambling to children. I will recreate this. Look.
And then she went on to promote gambling to children. Truly one of the most realistic recreations in history.
Since when is this a YouTube feature, bro?
I didn't have ukulele. Why do you put it here?
So, I just want to say something. We need to stop.
Cute single is a trip.
Oh my god, Kaka, you're so fun.
Nobody asked for your opinion. Wee-hee!
You'll probably remember the time when I promoted a gambling site. I stopped. Maybe you didn't even check YouTube channel is. I'm sorry for promoting gambling.
Yes.
So, guys, there is no reason to hate me for past. The only thing that I want to say at the end of this video, yeah guys, you just need to touch grass.
YouTube Single's response could qualify as the worst mistake made.
Wait, if you checked my community tab, I thought that this video was totally a joke.
By a content creator ever, and we're going to outline several reasons why, beginning with the most crucial point, being that she's fatherless.
Now, she may not be fatherless, but it is very much safe to assume that given her iPad kid behavior.
So let's talk about gambling situation the last time.
Yes.
Any excuses why I did it.
So you're going to make any excuses why you did it.
I'm disappointed in myself. I'm just an idiot for promoting illegal sites to kids. After 6th grade, we talked with a kaka, and they changed me. I deleted all the videos with the ID, and I promise I won't do this again. I made a huge mistake, and I don't expect to be forgiven. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm disappointed in myself, and the video that I created before positive technology gets done. I got only a better view. I'm really sorry if I offended, hurt, or disappointed anyone with all of this. I promise to be better, and I will be better.
Are you disappointed for using religion and animal abuse to your advantage?
Your channel is nothing. It serves zero purpose. You should reset character now. And give somebody else.
Guys, I don't wanna watch this video. Goodbye everyone. Like and subscribe. Bye. Anyways.
uwucutesingle. You can still redeem yourself if you stop capitalizing on religion and animal abuse for content.
Take this constructive criticism and change for the better.
Bro, guess what uwucutesingle's account got hacked by another YouTuber.
Apparently she got hacked by a guy named Steak.
Oh.
Yes. I did.
Me and Kaka just guessed uwucutesingle's password. I think. We just hacked her.
And this goofball started live streaming, and that's where Kaka v420 had the genius idea to send this message in chat.
Can I have her account?
Kaka's here! I love Kaka! Wait, not like that though. Should I give her account to Kaka?
No!
Yes?
No!
Or no? Me, Kaka 420 versus Poppy and Ring. Whoever wins gets uwucutesingle's account.
We are going to win.
Say it louder for the boys in the back. Here we go, boys! 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this.
Go!
Me and Alex completely fumbled it, and it all came.
Kaka, you can't even do a tower of hell.
Down to this moment.
No.
Hey, bro, you got a phone call.
I want a 1v1 kaka next. He will be dealt with.
Poppy wants to 1v1 Kaka. He will be dealt with.
Yes, I'll go on. Come on.
Kaka what?
Come on.
Let's go. That's right.
Stop her.
Yes! Oh! Oh! Oh!
You smell bad.
The last thing that I want to say, that video was good. Like, I see how you made it so hard, like about the montage. That's really cool. And I just want to ask you one question. Do you want 1v1? Maybe in Murder Mystery, how you did in with Rebooted Poopy? And maybe the hood? Because why not? Alright, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope everyone will like it. And subscribe. Goodbye.